everyone. I hope you're having a great day today and that you are ready to learn how to tune your ukulele, since this is what this video is all about. So go grab your uke and let's get started. I'm not a professional and I won't be teaching you how to tune your ukulele using piano keys, but I will be teaching you how I tune my ukulele personally using an app. So here it is. So the first thing that you need to do is download a ukulele tuner app in an app store or play store, whatever gadgets you have available at home, and then just type in ukulele free tuner, and then there's a lot of free apps that will come out and you can choose whatever you want to download. So the next thing that you need to do is to know the names of the string in the ukulele. And there are 4 strings. The first string is G, the second one is C, the third one is E, and the last one is A. And then you're all set. It's very simple. You will just have to open the app and then play each string in the ukulele, and then the app will tell you if it's too high or too low, and then you will just have to turn these pegs. If you want to adjust either left or right, if you want to make it higher, you will have to tighten the string, and if you want to make it lower, you will just have to loosen the string and turn it the other way around. Now let's try to tune this ukulele. string.